Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5-minute or less video. If you want to see me in a coat and tie and see me on all my national broadcasts, you can go to 777irs.com. I do these videos for 3 reasons: so you don't get ripped off, so you know the truth, and you can make honest and trustworthy decisions on what I'm going to tell you. I've been working I worked at IRS for 10 years. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters, and I have a whole team of former IRS agents and tax attorneys on staff. You're welcome to take a look at 777irs.com. Today, I want to talk to you about working with back payroll taxes and what you have to do. As a former revenue officer, I've worked thousands of cases. My best guess, well over 10,000 cases. I've been doing this for 50 years. And in doing so, if you listen to me, what I'm doing, you'll have a lot of success. You can use that to either hire us or do this on your own. I do these videos really for both reasons. There's only one way you're going to stay in business and work with IRS if you owe back payroll taxes. I should know. I used to knock on the doors myself, and I used to work on deals with people if I could to see if I could keep the businesses open. Not all businesses stay open. With Internal Revenue Service, IRS suggests that you shut your business down. They may close your business, and there's a lot more recourse. But if you want to stay open, these are the 2 tips that you got to go ahead and follow. And if you do, IRS will probably work with you. The first is you need to have all your tax returns filed. If IRS comes knocking on the door, they're going to want to make sure all your 941s and 1040s, your personal income taxes, are filed. That's the first question I was going to ask you if I came out. The next one is, are you current? That means, are you making a current federal tax deposit on 941 taxes? If you're not, you're giving me more reason to close your business up because you're not able to stay current. And generally, if you're not able to stay current, then you're not able to keep your back tax agreement up either if you're going to have one. So the 2 most important factors I'm telling you today is make sure all your tax returns are filed. And if you haven't made a back federal tax deposit, start to make them when you're listening to my video. If you do, IRS is probably going to go ahead and work with you. So how's the IRS revenue officer going to work your case? Well, they're going to ask those 2 questions first, then they're going to go ahead and take 2 financial statements, a 433B business financial statement and a 433A personal financial statement. They want to drill down and find out whether the cause of this problem is a lack of income or maybe taking out too many expenses. Your 433A, your personal statement, and your 433B, your business statement, is going to drive that answer with the Internal Revenue Service. They will seek to either put you into a currently non-collectible status, a monthly payment status, or yes, you can file an offer and compromise on your business and settle your debt as well. I don't suggest you doing that on your own. They are complicated, they're long, and it's well worth the money for a professional to go ahead and do this work. I've done many of these, and they're not easy. It takes a good drill down on your financial statement, getting into the business records a little, and making sure IRS will accept a possible offer and compromise. So if you want IRS to work with you, once again, file all your tax returns, keep your current taxes current. That means on the payroll and the personal side as well. It's a good way for the RO to say, yes, we'll keep your business open. Don't be one of those that continue to keep the business open if you think it's failing. You may want to have an exit strategy. If you need to know more about those, you can call me. I've done many of these cases. Give me a subscription if you would. Why does that help? Why do people ask for them? It moves us up the chain for YouTube. That's the only reason. Give me a like or a comment. Subscription is helpful. Thank you very much.